Hello everyone, this video is only for entertainment purposes. I am not a financial advisor nor I am a licensed professional. So if you're planning on investing, please do your own research, take your time and invest at your own risk. Now with that being said, welcome back to Prime Growth Investment. This is your boy Ali and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Zomedica. So we're going to have a whole review of Zomedica, and we're going to talk about price prediction for the next 2 weeks. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, show me some love, and hit the bell notification so you can watch more of my videos in the future. So as of right now, if we take a look at our YouTube portfolio 2021, this is where I mentioned the price of I mentioned the stock and the price since I mentioned it, the most recent price, and this is where we see our gains. As of right now, CCIV, we have 13% gains. NEO, we have 19% gains. Zomedica, we have 21% gains. And if we take a look at the other stocks, we have some losses. But remember, these stocks are going to be a long-term hold. So all we got to do is put our money in there and let our money work for us. And over time, we're going to see some gains. So Zomedica, what's going on with Zomedica? So Zomedica is coming out very soon with a product that everybody is anticipating. On March 31st, they're going to come out with their first product, which depending on how the investors react, if the investors react positively, we might get lucky and reach the $4 mark. We might actually surpass the $4 mark and maybe hit the $5 mark, which everybody is waiting for. So if we take a look at the past 5 days, we see some great improvement in the stock. It was originally below $2, but then it is right now trading at $2.40, which is just amazing. That is over 25% gains. And if we continue over the next 2 weeks growing, we might actually get lucky, ladies and gentlemen, and hit the $4 mark. And if we do hit the $4 mark, that means we have 100% gains, which is amazing. Now let's take a look at the company. What's going on with them? So right now we see this article right here, and they mentioned that Zomedica is a pre-revenue company. So this company doesn't have any product out there in the market. They are not generating anything. They're not generating any revenue because they don't have any product. They're not selling anything. But they are coming out with a first product on March 31st, and it will be a point-of-care pet diagnostic. And since the beginning of 2021, Zomedica is already up almost 100%. I think it surpassed 100% as of right now. So if we take a look at what's going on in the US, so ever since the pandemic, a lot of people are adopting pets. Some breeders say they have a waiting list that extends deep into this year, and it's going to continue. And once you have pets in your family, you're going to need vet care. And if the pet needs testing for thyroid or adrenal conditions, the Zomedica has the solution. So currently, if you go to a vet or healthcare for your pet and they need to take out some blood test, what they do is they draw the blood, they take out the blood test and they ship it to the third-party lab. And that generally takes about 3 days. The owner is going to be really upset. There's going to be so many stress. However, TRUFORMA is changing that. It is changing all of this. TRUFORMA, they have a point-of-care test diagnostic that is going to provide technicians the perfect timing, because the technicians are going to draw that blood and they're going to put it in a device, and it will only take 15 minutes before the results come out. And the results are going to be reliable. So it will give the veterinarians the perfect opportunity to diagnose pets with their conditions as well as start the treatment very fast. So there's going to be a lot less stress for pet owners. This company not only is coming out with their first product, but they also have the necessary cash on hand. So by the end of 2020, they had over $76 million on their hands of cash, which is just amazing. Comparing to 2019, they had only 15 million. So they increased their cash on hand, which is going to provide them with the necessary cash in order to market their first product. And if we continue looking at the earnings, they have improved their earnings. Their earnings as of 2020, it was 5 cents per share, comparing it to 2019 when it was 19 cents per share, negative 19% per share, which is just insane. So this company is not only a company coming out with a product, but they're also coming out with a plan of making the product hit the market, as well as marketing it as much as they can in order to generate some revenue. And if we continue reading right here, this company also applied for 4 patents, and patents will give them a portion of any revenue to be paid to the owners of the intellectual property. So if a company comes out with a similar product, they will be given whatever they sell, whatever revenue they generate, a portion of it will go to Zomedica, which is just amazing. But let's take a look at the market they're entering. According to Zomedica, the company itself, the entire diagnostic market for pets by 2024 will be around almost $3 billion, which is insane number. And they're going to be the first company to come out with a product that was going to diagnose pets within 15 minutes. Now, Zomedica is only testing for a narrow range of diagnostic conditions. They are only doing it for thyroid and adrenal issues. So if Zomedica stays at where they are right now, they are only going to grab a small portion of the $2.8 billion. But if they will produce other point of care diagnostic equipment that are going to diagnose other conditions, they are going to increase their market, and they're going to absorb a lot more revenue in the future. So this is, as an investor, this is how we are going to play this game. Pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to wait and hold and wait for the product to come out. So March 31st, starting now to March 31st, I believe we're going to see some growth. We're going to surpass the $3 mark, and we're going to get very close to a $4 mark, and hopefully we might be able to surpass it. And depending on how other investors react, once they see the product, if they believe in this company, we actually might get very close to hitting the $5 mark. And I hope we do, because this will be a great opportunity. That means we will be getting more than 100% gains or profit off of this company. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and leave a like, and watch my recent videos as well.